Hi, welcome to Architect Tips. The purpose of the channel is to teach you some quick tips in Photoshop tailored towards architectural visualization, which will hopefully speed up your workflow. Let's dive right in. So this is a nice little feature in Photoshop that when your render is finished and you have all your render elements and the main render all saved in a folder, this is a way you can just load them all in together. If you go into File and into Scripts, load files into Stack. This is where you will browse to where your renders are saved. I have these 4 passes saved at the moment, these 4 elements. If you press OK, it'll list them here, and then press OK again. As you can see here, this is your layer tab, and all of them takes, very, very quick amount of time. You see them all layered up here, turn them all off and on. And that's just a nice way, rather than going File, Open, and opening each individual element and dragging it in on top of each other. This way it does it all in one go for you, so it's a nice, quick, efficient workflow. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, it would be really appreciated if you give it a like and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on more useful tips. Thank you for watching.